I review things. That's what I do. This is the Breville juicer that we've got here. I'm going to show it to you here briefly. And then I'm going to set it to the side and just talk about it because you can see better pictures of it in the product description. I'm not going to waste your time showing you something you can already see. And it tells you how to use it, what it does. I'm just going to say this thing works well. There are other juicers on the market, obviously a ton of them. This one does what it's supposed to do. It also cleans easier. Initially I bought one, it was like 90 bucks and I was like, oh, a $90 juicer, that's nice. If it does what it needs to, that's great. It had a decent star rating, so I thought it'd be good. It wasn't great. Yeah, so I upgraded and now I have this one and it works really well. So I don't know what else you need to know about it. This one has a even better star rating for a good reason. I recommend it. I use this thing in the kitchen all the time, but my lighting up there is bad, so I wanted to come down here to make the video. So yeah, if that's what you're looking for, if you're looking to juice things, I'd say buy it. I do recommend it. Worst case, you don't like it for some reason. Maybe you're weird. I don't know, because this is a pretty nice thing. And then you could return it if you don't like it. But I love it. We love it. Yeah, my girlfriend and I use this frequently. So if that's what you're looking for, grab it. Yeah, if you go for something else, look for something with a good star rating. But if you pay less, you're going to get less. So yeah, that's it.